Have you ever felt like you're just different? Like you see the world in a way others don't, and you carry a weight or a purpose that you can't quite explain. This feeling might be more than just a passing thought. It could be a sign that you are part of a very special group of souls. But how do you know if you're one of them? It's not about being better or more special than anyone else. It's about recognizing a unique calling within you. Today, we're going to explore 7 powerful signs that you might be one of the 144,000. As we go through these signs, I invite you to listen with an open heart and see what resonates with your own experience. This isn't a checklist to prove something, but a mirror to help you see your own soul's journey more clearly. So, let's dive in and discover the first sign. Sign number 1. You have a deep, unshakable feeling of purpose, even if you can't define it. Since you were young, you've likely felt a pull towards something greater. It's not about ambition in the worldly sense, like wanting to be a CEO or famous. It's a profound inner knowing that you're here to do something significant, to contribute to a positive change on a grand scale. This feeling can be a source of both comfort and frustration. Comfort, because it gives your life meaning. Frustration, because the exact nature of this mission might be unclear for a long time. You might have tried different careers or paths, always searching for that one thing that truly aligns with your soul's calling. This persistent, nagging sense that you're meant for more is a classic indicator. It's the universe's way of reminding you of the contract your soul made before you came to Earth. The second sign is that you are highly empathetic and sensitive. Do you feel the emotions of others as if they were your own? This leads us to our third sign. You have a strong connection to nature and the cosmos. You don't just see a tree. You feel its ancient wisdom. You don't just look at the stars. You feel a sense of homesickness, a longing for a place you can't quite remember. Members of the 144,000 often feel more at home in nature than in the man-made world. A walk in the forest, a moment by the ocean, or simply gazing at the night sky can feel like a spiritual recharge, connecting you back to source energy. You might have a fascination with ancient civilizations, astronomy, or quantum physics. This is because, on a soul level, you remember your cosmic origins. You understand that we are all part of a vast, interconnected web of life, and your bond with the natural world is a constant reminder of this truth. Sign number 4 is a feeling of being an outsider or an old soul. Have you always felt a bit different, like you don't quite fit in with mainstream society? Perhaps you found social norms and popular trends to be strange or superficial. This isn't about being antisocial. It's about operating on a different frequency. As an old soul, you carry a wisdom and maturity that can make you seem out of place among your peers, especially when you were younger. You might have preferred the company of older people or found solace in books and deep conversations rather than parties. This feeling of being an outsider is not because there's something wrong with you, but because you are here to challenge the status quo, not to conform to it. You are a wayshower, and pioneers rarely walk the well-trodden path. You're drawn to professions or roles where you can be of services: a healer, a teacher, a counselor, an artist, an activist, or simply as a compassionate friend and family member. You know, on a soul level, that you are here to hold the light, to anchor a higher frequency, and to help guide humanity into a new era of love, peace, and unity. So, did these signs resonate with you? If you found yourself nodding along, take a deep breath. It's a lot to take in. Remember, this isn't about being special or elite. It's about accepting a sacred responsibility. If you are one of the 144,000, your journey is about embodying your light and sharing it with the world in your own unique way. You don't have to save the world single-handedly. Your job is to be the most authentic, loving, and conscious version of yourself. By doing so, you automatically raise the vibration of the planet. Trust your intuition, continue your healing journey, and know that you are not alone. There are thousands of others just like you, all waking up to their purpose at this exact moment. Thank you for joining me on this exploration today. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss our future videos. Let's create a community of support as we all walk this beautiful path together. Until next time, stay bright.